Sometimes you're going to be asked to have entire radicals written as mixed radicals, and sometimes from mixed radicals to entire radicals. So for part A, if we want to do this, we have to think of our powers chart. Since we're dealing with cubes, if I go to my powers chart and say what do I want to think about, for cubes, I'm thinking about these numbers right here. These are my cubes, 8, 27, 64, 125, and they get pretty high pretty quick. Then I go to my example, and I have 16. There is only one perfect cube less than 16. It's 8. 2 cubed is 8. Can you divide 16 by 8? Absolutely. Okay? So I need to put 8 and 2 in here. Now there's the negative involved. You can put the negative in either one. I personally like pulling the negative out with my cube root, so I'll put it with a negative 8. Now I have 135. Can you divide 135 by 8? No. What's your next cube after 8? 27. So check. Can you divide 135 by 27? $135 is 27 times 5. Times table is going to come in a lot in this unit. So that's why we made that powers chart, because you should be thinking about those numbers. And then this becomes, cube root of negative 8 becomes negative 2. We're still left with the cube root of 2. The cube root of 27, that becomes 3. We're still left with the cube root of 5. I'm okay if you write it like this, or you could put your fraction together and your cube root together as one.
Oh, curious.
And in B, we take the 3 out of front, and we'd have to put it into a 4th root. So 3 to the power of 4 is 81. 81 over 1. 81 times 2 is 162 over 7. All right. You can also circle questions 3, 4, 7, and 8. The negative has to stay out in front in this one because it's a 4th root.